Hello, my name is JR. I am the customer service supervisor as well as our pro staff manager here at Archery. I am here to tell you about a truly remarkable bow that we are excited about. What we have here is the new Cruzer bow. Our most versatile bow we have ever brought to the market. No corner was cut when it came to the design and thought put into this bow package. Throughout development, we commonly referred to this bow as the family bow, due to the fact that it will literally fit anyone in the family, no matter their age. That is what makes this bow so great, is having the ability to make draw length adjustments from 12 inches all the way up to 30. This bow has a 32-inch axle-to-axle length and a 6.5-inch brace height and only weighs 3.6 pounds. The bow shoots 310 feet per second and is available in Realtree Xtra green camo. Let's talk about the values this bow package offers for a minute, which is another great aspect of this bow. It already comes to you as a package with the highest quality accessories from Trophy Ridge. You get an installed D-loop, peep sight, the new Joker 4-pin fiber optic sight, new 5-spot adjustable quiver, and a new dart stabilizer with wrist sling. Make sure you check out the new Cruzer bow and all of our other exciting products at bowhunterproducts.com. Or if you have any questions, give us a call at 1-800-694-9494. From all of us at Archery, thank you for your interest in the new Cruzer bow.